In this video I'm going to show you how to restore deleted Instagram post on your iPhone. So this is Anis. Welcome back to another video. If you need my channel, please consider subscribe and hit the bell icon for my latest update. If you did already, thank you so much. So let's get started. So for restoring deleted Instagram post on your iPhone, just open Instagram. So as you can see, this is my Instagram. So after that, just tap on profile icon in this bottom right corner, and here is Instagram profile. After that, tap on three-line menu on the top right corner, and as you can see, here is your activity. Tap on your activity and just, as you can see, recently deleted. Just tap on recently deleted, and as you can see, here is 3 posts that I deleted already, and this one is 9 days left, and these 2 posts 30 days left. So I can restore this post up to 30 days. So just I'm going to restoring this post like this one. Just tap on 3-line menu, and here is 2 options, restore or delete. So for restoring, just tap on restore and tap on again to confirm, and it will restore it to my Instagram wall. So just refreshing, as you can see, this post restored on my Instagram profile. So that way you can restore your deleted Instagram post on iPhone. So pretty much that's it. If you have any questions, please let me know in comments. If this video did helpful, please thumbs up and share my video. See you on the next.